Hello there, this is Ben Fournier, and here's how to use OpenShot Video Editor. You go here, import your videos that you want to have included in the final version of something. So you want an outro, press Control so you do it all in one go, and an intro, let's see, improved intro, and a content video, like this one I already have made, but I'm just putting it together for this thing. So first off, with the content video, you want to chop off the excess. So there's the first bit of excess there. I clicked once. It takes a little while sometimes. Press delete to clear that. Zoom out. Move that to the end. Find where it shifts over again. You can use the arrow keys. Did I mess it up? See where's the Alt-Tab menu. Okay, now that's gone. Clip just a little bit around there. Remove the scissor icon. Select, delete, and check it just to be sure. Crazy. So that's that for that. Put the outro at the end, and see the slider at the base, you can do that too. Put the intro at the beginning. Gonna need to move that out and delete whatever that is. That needs to go away. And now transitions between this, I sort of like this bar ripple one here. Just compress a little, then you have an intro and outro transition to the thingamajig there, and that's something that got made on its own by overlapping. Probably best to move things from left to right rather than have to redo it later, but I'm being sloppy while just trying to do everything quickly. So here we go though. And now you can see how that looks to go crazy. And you can check there too. Well, I mean, zoom out, move that over there. Hello there, this is Ben Fournier. Yep, that's me again. Anyhow, so this is that. Oh, and if you forget another thing, you can always go back and add it. Like, oh, where is it? Oh, yeah, a thumbnail animation, although that's the wrong one for this in particular. But yeah, you can add that. Move everything to the right and add more transitions and all that sort of stuff if you really wanted to. But yeah, if you wanted to finish it up, you have to go save project as, type a name for it, save it, and then go here to export video, and it'll have your title too. You want to save it beforehand though, otherwise the exported video will not exist. That at least seems to be the case so far as I've seen. But yeah, save it and then export it. So that's OpenShot Video Editor so far as I understand it. I still haven't gotten into doing anything with the other tracks, so I'll figure that out later. So far this works well enough for me. Anyhow, yep. It's a cool little tool and it was free and I'd recommend it.